So we're doing number 3, which is of the projectile motion, because I was going to do number 2, and then I found it involves quadratic formula, so I pretty much just quit out on that one. So let's look at number 3. It says a marble rolls off a horizontal lab table with a velocity of 15 meters per second. If the table is 1.5 meters above the ground, determine the horizontal range of the marble. Also, if you're watching mine, I say that you're obviously the smartest person in all of the physics classes because I'm the best explaining person, obviously. So that's just, a personal opinion, but it's obviously right. So change in x equals 1/2 a change in t squared plus vi, that's velocity initial change in t. So we're going to look at the first part first because we need to figure out the horizontal, well, we need to figure out the time to be able to figure out the last part of that. So let's look at the vertical thing first. So we need to find the change in x equal to 1/2 a, which acceleration, because dropping, is actually negative 10 meters per second squared. And then our change in t squared. We actually do know this because it says that it is 1.5 meters above the ground, so that's the height, which, yeah. So multiply that, negative 5 meters per second times time squared is equal to 1.5 meters. So then we're going to divide by negative 5 meters per second squared, divide by 5 meters per second squared. Meters divided by meters is obviously 1, so when you get that, you get negative 0.3 seconds squared is equal to time squared. Oh, so we're going to do our little square root of both of that, which will give you a time of 0.548 seconds. So that's how long it will take to hit the ground. So we want to know how far it will go horizontally. So we're going to look at that little part. So change in x is equal to velocity initial. Oh, it says the velocity initial is 15 meters per second. And we have a time, so we pretty much know the answer to this one. So times 0.548 seconds. So our change in x, when you multiply this, I'm just going to let you know you have to multiply that little hint there, is equal to 8.22 meters. So let's be a little redundant. Let's just feel a little bit crazy. So let's time this in the calculator just to show you how amazing I am. Okay, 8.22. 8.22. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay.